How to change limit on PayPal. If you are seeing a limit on your PayPal account that's preventing you from sending, receiving or withdrawing money, in this video I'll show you how to check and remove PayPal limits. First, make sure you have downloaded PayPal on your phone. After that, click on search bar and open PayPal. Now make sure to log into your PayPal account. After you log into your account, you'll see this home page, and here on the top right corner you can see this human icon. Click on it. This is also the settings option. Here click on account limits or view limits option, and there you'll see sending, receiving and withdrawal limits. Now PayPal will ask for one or more of this verification. First one is link and confirm your bank account. Second one is add a debit or credit card, and the last one is confirm your identity. And once verified, PayPal will increase or remove your limits. So this is how you can change limit on PayPal. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.